How to go to settings on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can go to or access the settings on Snapchat. So follow the simple steps. First of all, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and the Snapchat application also updated to its latest version. Now, once you're in your profile page, tap on the Bitmoji icon or the avatar icon, or if you have added story to your Snapchat account, you will see the story icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now you will see the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen that will let you access the settings. Once you do that, it will open the settings menu, and here you can customize various account and app settings. So that's how you can find the settings on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.